Ayan, ganda ng araw. Beautiful Saturday morning. When you read, it's about 65 degrees. Perfect for cycling. Wow! And there's Kuya Joel. All right, we're all doing good so far. We'll see. So far, probably we did about what, 10 miles, maybe 12 miles
30 minutes.
in 30 minutes, non-stop. So we're making some adjustment so that we can pedal more efficiently. Ayan, si Kuya Joel, ayan, dugi kami. No pain, no gain, dugi kami siya, nag-workout na kami. Wala pa kaming gain.
Tinatayuan nyo nga lang eh. Hirap magabol ang taas ng heart rate.
Oo, no pain, no gain.
Pero ayos lang, ayos lang. Masarap, masarap.
Ayan, si Kuya Joel, ang gusto na yun. Ayan. Nice day of riding. No pain, no gain. Dapat nasa tayo.
Tatas tayo ng solid drive.
Parang baliwala. Parang hindi pa hinihingan eh. Oh. Anong heart rate mo? 156. Normal. After a big hill climb. Iba talaga tong tandem. Iba talaga. Bilib ako.
Iba talaga si Bupang.
Babata ka niyan. Laging titigas yan. There you go. Kuya Joel is working really hard. You can see the power he's giving. He's trying to gain more power. There you go. Woohoo! Diretso lang. Galing! Galing! Ayan, we all made it to Freighter. Freighter ba to?
Oo.
Nasa Freighter?
Video, video. Ang mga pogi.
Ang mga pogi. Kuya Joel.
Yan si Al.
Lugi kami kay Kuya Joel. Nag-workout ng gusto.
Naku, ako pawis ko.
Dito ko tumutulog ito.
Saibar.
Kuya! Jerry!
Masa.
Yan o. Bigla kami nakita-kita sa road.
Sa bahay na.
Ano yung star? Woohoo! Ganda ng panahon. Hindi mainit masyado. Woohoo! Nakilang miles tayo ngayon? Naka-century pa tayo?
Half century.
Half century. Pinagod mo si Kuya Ivan tsaka si Kuya Joel.